Hi, I'm Corey, and today we're going to be learning how to play I Don't Know My Name by VanderWaal. The great thing about this song is it's pretty much as easy as ukulele chords get to. We'll be using 4 main chords, and I'll tell you what those are in a second, but first things first, let's get our ukulele in tune. You want the 4th string to be G, 3rd string C, 2nd string E, and the 1st string A. The 4 chords you're going to be using for this song will be a C, an F, an A minor, and a G. What's really awesome about this song is there's one main progression that goes through both the verse and the chorus. The progression changes a little bit when you get to the bridge, but the chords remain the same. To make a C chord, you're going to take your 3rd finger and place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret. To make an F chord, you're going to take your 2 fingers, place one on the 1st fret, 2nd string, place the 2nd on the 2nd fret, 4th string. After the F, you're going to transition to an A minor. All you have to do for that is lift up your 1st finger, and then you're already in an A minor position. Next is the G. You're going to take peace, place 1 finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and then place your 3rd finger right between the 2 on the next fret down. There's 2 different ways you can play this song. The first would be playing an all down strum, or you could just play on the chord changes too. Either way would be great. All right, let's get into the song. Now we're gonna do this, we're gonna mix things up a little bit, and we're gonna do this 2 different ways. I'm going to play through the verse and the chorus just on the down strums, and then I'll show you a second way how to add a little contrast between those 2 sections. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying. I am just trying. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. You ask me why I cut my hair and changed myself completely. Now, one option to add a little bit of contrast, if you're starting out with just the down strums on every beat, what you could do is when you get to So I Heard You Are My Sister's Friend, you could go on the subdivision and play each chord 8 times like this. 1 and 2 and here we go. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. You ask me why I cut my hair and changed myself completely. So that's one option to add a little contrast. A third option to make it even a little bit more challenging, if this is still a little bit too easy, just because these pretty much are our main chords on the ukulele, you could add a more complex strumming pattern. What I would recommend is a really simple one, but again, it adds that contrast. I would just recommend going down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, that's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, here we go. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So that would sound like this. 1, 2, here we go. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. You ask me why I cut my hair and changed myself completely. Like that. Again, these are just some recommendations. If you want to stay on just the chord changes, that's totally fine. If you want to, like that. Again, these are just some recommendations. If you want to stay on just the chord changes, that's totally fine. If you want to strum down on every beat, that's fine. If you want to add those subdivisions, that's fine too. Or if you want to add a more complex strumming pattern, that's great too. I would recommend start with the really basics and build up to a more complex strumming pattern. Now with the pre-chorus, you're going to play an F, a G, an A minor, a back to a G, and then an F, and then kind of in like a free song, you'll sing the rest of the pre-chorus. So let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. I am lost, trying to be found in an ocean of people. Please don't ask me any questions, I'll just say. And then we go into the chorus. Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. I don't know my name, I don't play by the rules of the game, so you say I'm just trying, I'm just trying. So here's the last part of the song. 1, 2, here we go. I now know my name, I don't play by the rules of the game, so you say I'm not trying, but I'm trying to find my way. I hope you found this helpful in learning how to play Grace VanderWaal's I Don't Know My Name. I really enjoy her as an artist. I just think it's nice to see young people that are just doing, I say that like I'm not that old myself, but it's nice to see someone her age that's really focused and driven to do a really good job. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe to tune in so you can have easy tutorials all month of July and onward as well. Thanks. Bye-bye.